The Fold 7 was just the warm-up, but the Fold 8? That's the knockout punch Samsung's been saving. What if I told you it could finally erase the one flaw that's haunted every foldable ever made? These leaks are so insane, you'll think Samsung's bluffing. But if even half are true, this phone could change everything. And hey, if you're more an Ultra fan, don't worry. I've also got a full breakdown of the Galaxy S26 Ultra versus S25 Ultra, so check that out after this. But right now, stick with me, because what I'm about to show you will seriously surprise you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know if you think Samsung can actually pull this off. Design and build. Samsung might be ditching titanium for carbon fiber. Why? Titanium supply issues, and carbon fiber is lighter, stronger, and more flexible, perfect for S Pen support. Speaking of the S Pen, leaks suggest a thinner stylus is coming. No battery, no digitizer, just seamless use without adding bulk. And slimness? The Fold 8 could be only 7.5 millimeters folded, Samsung's thinnest foldable yet. Would a lighter, slimmer Fold with S Pen support finally win you over? Display and hinge. The crease, foldable's biggest flaw. But Samsung might finally fix it with a redesigned hinge and Flex display, promising a truly crease-free screen. The outer screen could be 6.5 inches, 120 Hz, 3000 nits, ultra-thin bezels. Inside, an 8-inch OLED, also 120 Hz, with stronger protection. And yes, the under-display camera is back, this time more invisible. Imagine unfolding smooth glass with no crease at all. Would that finally make you buy a foldable, or is the crease not a deal-breaker for you? Cameras. The Fold always trailed behind the Ultra in photography, but not this time. Rumors say a 200MP main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide, dual 50MP telephotos, and even a TOF sensor. Basically, ultra-level cameras in a Fold. No more compromises. If the Fold 8 matched Ultra cameras, would it replace your main phone, or do you still prefer the Ultra? Performance and battery. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, up to 16GB RAM, 2TB storage, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and Samsung's new AI tools. Battery? A bigger 5,000 mAh pack with faster charging. Finally, a Fold that can last all day. What matters most to you, raw power or battery life? Rumored square version. Here's the wild card. Some leaks suggest Samsung might launch a square Fold 8 with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Perfect for apps, multitasking, even gaming, but definitely experimental. Would you try a square Fold, or is that just a gimmick? Price and launch. Price could hit $2,100, higher than the Fold 7. But if Samsung really delivers, slimmer build, crease-free display, ultra cameras, S Pen, maybe it's worth it. Launch is rumored for July 2026, earlier than usual. Do you think Samsung is truly pushing foldables forward, or just charging more for overdue features? Final thoughts. To me, the Fold 8 could be Samsung's most important foldable yet, not just to stay ahead, but to prepare for Apple's rumored foldable iPhone. Of course, these are still early leaks, so specs and designs could change. Stick around, because I'll be breaking down every update as it comes.